Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn legal drafting in English. First, build a strong foundation by understanding core legal concepts and terminology. This includes mastering grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure, which are crucial for clear communication. Familiarize yourself with common legal document types, such as contracts, pleadings, and memoranda, to grasp their basic structures and purposes. This initial step is vital for any aspiring legal drafter. Next, focus on the key principles of effective legal drafting. Always prioritize clarity, conciseness, and precision in your writing. Aim to use plain English and avoid unnecessary jargon whenever possible, making your documents accessible. Ensure absolute accuracy and consistency throughout all legal documents, as even minor errors can have significant consequences. These principles guide the creation of robust and understandable legal texts. Now, let's move to practical application. Analyze well-drafted legal precedents and templates to understand effective structures and language. Dedicate time to practice drafting various legal documents regularly, perhaps spending at least 1 hour daily. Actively seek constructive feedback from experienced legal professionals. Their insights are invaluable for refining your skills. This hands-on approach is essential for developing proficiency. Finally, commit to continuous learning and refinement. Stay updated on legal developments and evolving drafting best practices to ensure your skills remain current. Regularly read legal texts and judgments to expand your vocabulary and understanding of legal nuances. Consider enrolling in specialized courses or workshops to develop advanced drafting skills. This ongoing dedication will elevate your expertise over time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.